Unfamiliar. Oh. Yeah. Nesting.
Look at that.
Right here.
That scared that person.
Do you have a name for that one?
Yeah, that one's a hammer top.
What do you have a specific name for them?
As far as I know, I do not know the name for that one. I'm sure keepers have the unofficial names for them, but I don't think they have like an official name.
You probably get a kick out of people's reaction when they.
Yeah, everyone always like ducks and screams. You get some big reactions sometimes.
Yeah.
They get pretty close though. They do definitely kind of just miss people's heads. They're actually building that like big nest up there, and you feel like the grass hanging down. That's their nest up there.
Okay.
So they're very busy going back and forth, grabbing stuff, bringing it up to the nest. And we have two. We have a male and a female. So.
Any babies yet?
Nope, not yet. Hopefully though, that would be so awesome.
Yeah. Well, normally when they're nesting, it's because they don't have any babies. Yeah.
Some nesting seasons were more lucky than others.
Yeah.
Babies and stuff. So I don't know if we've actually ever had hammer top babies, but if we do, that would be really cool.
That is cool.
Honey, your ducks?
Oh yeah, those are the ducks I was talking about. She was talking about, I mean.
Look, gorilla.